Meaning of Heriot-Watt University.
Heriot-Watt University.
Heriot-Watt University.
Heriot-Watt University.
Heriot-Watt University. Heriot-Watt University is a public research university based in Edinburgh, Scotland. It was established in 1821 as the world's first mechanics institute. The university has a strong reputation for science, engineering, business and management and offers a range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs across its 5 campuses in the UK, Dubai and Malaysia. Heriot-Watt has a diverse and international student body, with more than 30,000 students from over 140 countries. In addition to its academic programs, the university is also engaged in research, innovation and enterprise activities, working closely with industry and government to address global challenges.